today we're going to make pan au chocolat. So you'll need some puff pastry we've got ready made, some scissors to open it, a knife, a rolling pin, some chocolate, it can be dark or milk, some plain flour and a baking tray. First need to open the puff pastry, so I'm going to use some scissors. Next, so it doesn't stick to the surface, I'm going to use some plain flour to sprinkle over to stop the pastry sticking. So I need to put some flour on the rolling pin to stop it sticking to the pastry when I roll it. Then you need to cut a piece of pastry from the block about 5 centimetres thick. Place it on the flour and use the rolling pin to roll it out into a very long thin rectangle, about 1 centimetre thick. We're going to break the chocolate into pieces about 2 squares, place it in the middle of your pastry at the top, and you're just going to roll it round like a chocolate sausage roll. Make sure you pinch the ends to seal it together, but it's okay if there's a bit of chocolate at the side because that just adds to the flavour. And there is one pan au chocolat. This time, to stop the pan au chocolat sticking to the tray, I'm going to just put a tiny bit of plain flour at the bottom. Dab it about a bit, and then you can put your pan au chocolat on the tray, leaving about 10 centimetres between each one so they don't stick together. So now we've got our pan au chocolat on the baking tray, we're going to use an egg to make them golden brown as they're cooking. So I'm going to place the egg in the little dish. I'm just using a little spoon. I'm going to mix it together. And then I'm just going to spoon on just a half a spoon of the egg mixture on the top of each pan au chocolat, which will mean when it's cooking in the oven it will come out crispy and golden brown. Now they're ready to go in the oven. We've preheated the oven to 180, so it's already warm. I'm going to put it on the middle shelf and it will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes.